Hey Panthers fans, this is your arena host, Gabby Allen, and we are just moments away from this season's Cooper&Hunter Fan Cave reveal. This season, Victoria and Christian Rodriguez welcomed us to their home to give their daughter Nina the ultimate Panthers fan cave. Nina is a huge Panthers fan. She also uses a wheelchair, so her fan cave has been completely customized to be fully accessible to her needs. They invited out all their friends and neighbors. They haven't seen it yet, so let's go check it out.